Are you a freelancer or agency owner and struggling to scale your agency or freelancing business? Yes, you might have heard lots and lots of people telling you how to get clients, how to run the agency, but not everyone will tell you why this business can fail or will fail. Because these are the point, if you focus on, the chances of success become higher. Even if you get less clients, but still you can be successful, and that's the main motto, right? But every Tom, Dick and Harry will tell you how to get clients. Definitely that's the key, but people avoid this thing, why people fail or why agencies fail. So watch this video till the end, and at the end of the video I'm going to tell you two important things. Those are the most important things for a successful agency. And if you don't know me, I am Sagar Achhra, founder of Funnels Traffic Agency, performance marketing agency. We have been running agency from last 5 years, and we are steadily growing to a good pace. Okay, so let's start without giving a second thought. So number one thing is lack of specialization. Now, what is lack of specialization? Many people start an agency, a social media agency or any agency, and they feel that we can serve everyone. Every client is my client. I just want money. Okay. And let's say social media. Social media is a broad term. There are 10 different things which can be done in social media. There can be just paid ads. There can be just managing Instagram accounts. There can be just managing LinkedIn accounts. There can be just managing YouTube editing or Reels editing. These are part of social media. But your agency is not specialized in one thing. You are not a specialist. Now assume it that if you go to a doctor, a generalist physician, you will not pay him more than 500 rupees or 1000 rupees. But if you go to a heart specialist, you even pay 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees. Right? Even for consultation or 3 to 4 meetings, you pay 50,000 rupees to a specialist. So that's where the game changes. Specialization. Okay, in the background you can do a lot of different things, that is fine. But at the front end, you have to be some specialist. Okay, because let's say people say me, there's lots and lots of competition. I agree, there is a lot of competition. But why would someone already doing something good, some client doing something good, working with some other agency, some freelancer, should come to you? Why should they come to you? They don't come to you because you are not the specialist. Get the answer, you are not the specialist. You are again a generalist. You would say, I would run your accounts, I would take this account. No. If they have a specific problem, they will come to you, and once they start working with you, you can offer other services also, even though you are not specialist in that, like the backend services, like the complete management, the 360-degree flow. But you have to be present as a specialist in one end. So be focus on one thing, be the specialist in one thing. That way you can charge high ticket also, more money also. That solves n number of. This is the first number one thing which people fail at. Okay. Second is poor client management. The most untalked topic in the whole industry. Client management, client retention. Again, as I told you in the start of the video, everyone will give you the strategies on how to get new clients. No one will tell you the power of client managing, retaining client. How you have to manage a client so that it takes lots and lots of effort to actually acquire a client. Okay, you have to, if you are doing an outreach, you have to do 100 outreach to get a one good client. Okay, but once you get a client, have you seen that urge of serving them sometimes becomes low? You feel, yeah, client mil gaya, we are satisfied now, we got a client. But no, the real challenge starts after you get a. But industry is portraying in such a way that the real problem is getting the client. To be honest, getting client is not at all a problem. If you are a specialized person at one thing and you are doing a proper client management, client management is not at all a problem. Client serving, retention is the problem, client management is problem. So you might tell me, Sagar, why don't you tell me what to do for this? We have a problem, we understand the problem. Why don't you tell me what to do? Good question. So what you can do is, one is have a strong operations team. So now you might tell me, Sagar, this we are a very small business. How can we have a dedicated operations team? No, you just require one man who can actually give reply immediately to a client. Immediately to a client. Now, after working with 100 people, okay, client don't want the work done immediately. If some new work is coming, let's say just for an example, if he needs one new email, sales email, he doesn't want it immediately next 10 minutes, but all he wants is acknowledgement. This is the most important word, acknowledgement. Yes, we got your point. We would definitely create the sales email and give it to you by tomorrow afternoon. All he wants is satisfaction by acknowledgement. And if you, let's say you are an agency owner or freelancer serving 10 different clients, you are in a meeting, you can't acknowledge at that particular time and you acknowledge at night or tomorrow, next day, don't you feel the satisfaction of immediate reply goes away? Imagine one thing, you are using some tool, XYZ tool, and if you some issue happens, that tool is not working, you are unable to log in. And if you go to the customer support and customer support solves your problem immediately within next 10 minutes, or at least acknowledges you that we will get back to you in 1 hour, or your problem will be solved in next 1 hour, don't you feel you will be 100% satisfied? Even though the problem was not solved immediately, they made you wait for 1 hour, but they acknowledged you immediately. This is the power 100% people ignore. And this is what I have seen after implementing this. People do wait for even 15 days to launch their some new thing, new stuff, even 1 month. All they need is a proper follow-up and acknowledgement. Do implement in your business, trust me, you will go a long way. This is the second thing. Third is, now again, many people fail because they don't have the right strategies of client acquisition and retention both. I talk not on the retention part here, but there are many different things. If you really want me to create a dedicated video on retention, because it's altogether a different topic, which would require at least 15 to 20 minutes on client retention. Okay, so I'll definitely do that. If you comment retention, or if you ask some question on retention, what particularly you want, and like our video and subscribe our channel, I'll definitely do that. But on again coming to client acquisition, that is also people fail because they get so busy in serving one or two clients that they fail to understand that we need 2, 3 more clients into our business, and eventually they don't focus on client acquisition. That's why they fail when one of the client out of 2 leaves. So for that, what's the solution, Sagar? Again, point is solution. What you have to do is, as soon as you get 2 to 3 clients, you have to start building team. Building team is an answer. But managing team is altogether the different topic. But at least you have to start building teams. Start building a team who can serve client. Start building a team who can get new clients. Eventually, our goal is to build both the teams. Serving clients, getting clients, and you are in the middle. That's where the CEO, the leader, stands in the middle, getting new clients, serving new clients. That's the power of business. That's the power of working like a CEO. And now coming to the important point is failure to adapt. Failure to adapt. I have met 20 different agency owners who are not able to adapt the latest trends. Let's say, giving you an example, today AI is coming. AI is a trend. If you fail to use AI, your agency will be 2 steps backward. New person coming into business, into this space, into this industry will eventually be 1 step forward than you. So adapt. Once you know that this thing is working in the market, let's say Facebook ads are getting saturated day by day, but Google ads are performing good. You have to somehow adapt to switch your client to Google ads. Post them. So I'll tell you one example. Let's say in 2024 from February to May, there was some issue in terms of ad cost or the quality of the leads when we were running free, when we were getting free leads for free as in free workshops or free lead, leads were not paying upfront any amount. So what we did was we immediately transitioned 10 clients to paid leads. That was a headache. That month was the most competitive month for us, the most stressful month for us, but we did it. And eventually they again came back to the stable where they were getting quality leads. Now the upfront leads were paying some amount coming, and eventually sales were happening because the end goal is sales, conversions, right? So that's how we transitioned. And after a few months, we saw when we were talking to more new clients, new agency owners, we were seeing that they didn't transition in that phase. And the quality of the leads were going poorer day by day. And eventually they were losing the business. That's the power of adaptation. The agency has the power to change not just one client. Once you get the new idea or the new thing, you can implement for 10 different clients. That's why the client will stay with an agency or freelancer, and you have to tell them that we are trying something new, we are doing something new, parallelly, not hampering the current state. That's where the real game is. Adaptation. Okay. Last but not the least, case studies. So even I failed in this. Let me tell you, even I failed in this. No one will come in on this video and tell you that I failed in this particular point, but I failed. Try to get in the 5 years. I didn't collect much case studies of my client, but now I am doing it, I am improving it. So you have to start collecting case studies from your client, and I'll tell you how you can do this. That's a very tricky way. If you tell a client, so this is from my experience, if you tell a client that share me a testimonial video, there are high chances he might delay or she might delay. Okay, I'll give you tomorrow, I'll give you 1 week later, or you can ask in next month. So there is a delay. So what you can do is call a client, tell that, or you or even your team member can go call a client and tell them that we need a feedback. We need a feedback. This is a feedback call, 15-minute feedback call. Since our team is working hard on your business, we need 15-minute feedback call. Will you be available in next week? As per your convenience, if you can tell me. So they will definitely come to a feedback call. And so bring them to the feedback call. Ask them few questions. How is your experience? What is the feedback working with us? What we should improve so that you can grow your business. And once they start giving the feedback, that is one thing you would know where you are lagging. That is one thing. After feedback, you can ask your question in such a way that what results you got working with funnels traffic, that is our agency, or your particular agency, how our agency, our team member have impacted positively into your businesses, and they will talk very good for you. That is a case study. And eventually at the end, you can tell if you are very happy, or if you feel that for a team dedicatedly who is working for you like 12 hours a day just for your business so that your business can grow, can you give a 1 minute shout out to our team and recommend us so that our team can serve other people also? That's where the testimonial video will also come. So that's how you can grow your case studies, more authority, more business, more growth, long-term thinking. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Do share this video, subscribe to our channel, and do comment, because I want to create such powerful practical videos which other people are not talking in the industry. Thank you.